Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a good look at the Central Pneumatic 6-gallon professional oilless air compressor, which of course holds 6 gallons. Has a maximum working pressure of 150 pounds. Has a 1.5 horsepower motor on it. It'll deliver 2.5 CFMs at 90 pounds of pressure and 3.4 CFMs at 40 pounds of pressure. At 90 decibels is the sound output, and it's 120 volt rated. It says the input power is 9.7 amps, so it would run on a generator or anything without kicking the breaker off there. It has a 1/4 air inlet or outlet. The core length is 82 inches long. The overall dimensions of this machine is 16 1/4 long, 16 3/4 wide, by 18 3/4 tall. A small air compressor like this is good for inflating your tires. Just general light duty air compressor worker. It will run a nail gun if you're as slow as we are, but if you're like a professional roofer or a professional builder, you might want to get an air compressor that cranks out a little more CFMs. So we'll flip it open and see what this baby will do. All right, here we go, folks. Johnny Corncob's gonna crank open the box there. We're gonna jerk it out, fire it up, and see how long it takes for it to build up the tire pressure there. I did pick this up at Harbor Freight. I tried to use that 20% off coupon there, and they told me it does not work on big box items. So yeah, 20% coupon will not work on this. But they consider it a big box item. gotta admit, that was kinda like watching paint dry, but, all in all, I don't really know if that's fast or slow. I guess the man, if he ain't got nothing to compare it to. But overall, we like the nice compact design of it. It's easy to carry and throw around. It does have a on and off switch on the top, a pressure release valve on it. It already comes with the air hose coupling hooked up. And the red knob is to adjust the air pressure. And it does have a water drain valve at the bottom there to get the moisture off your tank there. But all in all, I believe we'll have fun playing with it. I'm sure y'all see it in future videos. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.